Hi guys, today I would like to share with you my work process, how I did create this beautiful an apple tree. And this is not tutorial, this is work process, and I hope you like my video. I do appreciate if you put like or subscribe my channel. Let's start it. Hi guys, as you can see, I have very old dry bonsai tree, and I was thinking, I found in the garage. I didn't know what to do, and I was thinking why I will transfer it. Instead of throwing away, I will wash it all the root, and after I'm gonna start creating something beautiful and very, very gorgeous. Let's start it, yeah? Yes! As you can see, I'm mixing resin because I like resin. This is for base, and I will pour the resin in inside that mold, and I put the tree. I will leave overnight and have to dry about 12 hours, and after I will start to paint the tree with a paint for woods, right? So this is the paint, as you see. After painting, I will start sculpting an apple. The reason I created from this bonsai tree an apple tree, I think because it's remind my childhood time. I call this my creation childhood, because I think we had the reason we had an apple tree in our garden when I was a child, a lot of an apple tree, and I used to sit on the apple tree and just dream about and wonder life. It has something miracle about this tree. And mostly time I remember apple tree had a really good vibe and energy, I could say. Yeah, just I'm sharing my thought with you guys. It's that I'm think. To sculpt apple. For that, I just need a piece of clay, and you just have to roll it and you just need to cut it into little pieces that you will start to create the apple. Alright, just a simple clay. Well guys, after all this creation, I really do apologize. I didn't record it how I glue all these apples to the tree. I have only the picture, and you're gonna put in the middle of this little clay ball, brown color polymer clay, and on the back you need to make a little hole with needle, needle or some tools, because that hole you will glue it attached to the tree. Alright, to tree branches. And as you can see on the video I showing you, and after all this sculpting all the apples, you have to paint them with some paint, but I use mostly I use pastel, and you can use any color pastel, green color or bright red color. And that's for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like my video. And I do apologize I didn't show the process how I glue these leaves and all this my creation. So thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye for now.